Oh my god, this is so good. Not overly sweet, but the firm texture of the cheese filling and the chocolatey flavour that just hits the spot. Welcome back to another episode of Dessert Won't Hurt, the series where I turn your favourite snacks into protein-packed desserts that won't affect your waistline or your performance in your workouts. Today's dessert is an Oreo cheesecake, and some of you may remember the last cheesecake recipe that I made, but since then I've improved the cheese filling recipe by adding a special ingredient to make it even more tasty. So make sure you let me know what you think of the updated recipe. As always in today's dessert, I'll be keeping it under 500 calories and over 40 grams of protein. So stay until the end to see all of the nutritional info. And if you want to try this recipe too, the ingredients will be listed and linked in the description below. If you have any questions about the recipe, don't forget to comment and I will get back to you. Let's get into the video. Starting off, we're going straight to the Oreos to make a surprise filling for the cheesecake and bringing in our old friend the slap chop.
With slap chop, you're going to be in a great mood all day because you're going to be slapping your troubles away with the slap chop.
So let's put that Oreo cookie in the bowl and slap our troubles away. A 120 grams of 0% fat Greek yogurt and 40 grams of Philadelphia lightest, which is also high protein and lower fat. It's the first time I've seen this product, so I hope it works. Stay to the end to find out. Then the special ingredient to improve the recipe is a 10-gram squeeze of this Sweet Freedom fruit syrup. Let's follow that up with 5 grams of organic cacao, 35 grams of chocolate casein protein, which holds together and stays more firm than other protein powders, and finally a dash of vanilla extract. And now we're ready to throw in the slapped Oreo crumbs. For the base, we use 2 zero added sugar digestive biscuits, and we ain't trying to make a mess out here, so place them in a bag before smashing them up. If you want your dessert to look as nice as it tastes, this is the most important part. Spoon the cheese onto the base and then push it down firmly, smoothing over the top. For the final presentation, take one more Oreo cookie and carefully break it into smaller pieces, gently pushing them down into the cheesecake. With so many delicious ingredients, can it stay under 500 calories? It's time to find out. Oh my god, this is so good. Not overly sweet, but the firm texture of the cheese filling and the chocolatey flavour that just hits the spot. Some of you may remember a slightly different cheese filling recipe from the last cheesecake that I made, so let me know in the comments which one you prefer, the original or the updated version from today's video. If you haven't seen that video, you can click the link at the end of this video and it will take you straight there. I hope you enjoyed that recipe as much as I did. I honestly think that this is the tastiest dessert of the series so far. So if you are able to try this recipe for yourself, please do, and let us know in the comments. Tell us your favourite snack that you want to see featured in the next video, and if you have made it this far, there is a big red button down there.
Subscribe.
Click that for me, and the bell too, so you get notified when the next video hits. I'm still trying to hit the target of 100 likes on a video, so if you want to see a new episode next week, hit the like button and share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.